Today we are going to learn about frequency, pitch and volume. First, frequency frequency means number of sound waves moving per second. Now I am going to take this cardboard box guitar and pull the string. See, it made a sound and the molecules vibrated. When I push it even harder, the air molecules, more air molecules vibrate and sound increases. That is called volume. Now I am going to reduce the string and see, it made a different sound, and reduce again. You know why it made those sounds? Because when I reduce the string, it makes a different sound. And if I reduce the string, the frequency increases. And that is called pitch. Thank you.